Hello and welcome. We are learning AWS auto scaling. In this video, we are going to understand how we can implement auto scaling. To implement auto scaling, you have to go to the EC2 dashboard. In the EC2 dashboard, when you scroll down, the last option we have is auto scaling group. In order to set up auto scaling, the first step is to set up auto scaling group. What is auto scaling group? I have this mind map. Let's understand this. So create auto scaling group. It allows you to manage a collection of Amazon EC2 instances as a single unit, making it easier to automatically scale the number of instances in response to the changing demand. Now, in the previous video, we already discussed about what is auto scaling. We are using auto scaling for horizontal scaling. We can increase number of EC2 instances or decrease number of EC2 instances according to the demand. Now, when we are creating auto scaling group, all these EC2 instances, we are considering all of them as a single unit. Now, when I am going to the auto scaling group, here I have to provide name. Let's say that I am providing name ASG. The second thing that we need to set up over here is known as launch template. Now, what is launch template? So a launch template in AWS is a feature that allows you to define set of configuration parameters to use when launching the EC2 instance. It is a way to template or standardize the setup of EC2 instances, ensuring consistency and simplifying the process of launching the new instance. Now see, you can create launch template from here, or you can go to EC2 instance and from here you can create the launch template as well. Right now, we are using launch template for auto scaling, but it is not limited to the auto scaling. You can use launch template with various another services as well. Now, what is launch template? I am going to simplify this process and explaining you this. Let's say that I have one web application running. Now, during weekdays, I have very normal traffic and I have only one EC2 instance which is actually handling all this traffic and everything is going very well. But during Saturday and Sunday, I am facing issue because lots of traffic coming on my web application during Saturday and Sunday. So I decided that let's use auto scaling and let's increase number of EC2 instances for weekend. Now, what is my requirement? During Saturday, Sunday, the number of EC2 instances will be 3. During weekdays, only 1, but during Saturday, Sunday, I will have 2 new EC2 instances. Now, when I am using auto scaling group, auto scaling will add this EC2 instances for sure, but what will be the configuration of this EC2 instance? Like I want T2 micro or I want any extra large instance, which type of EC2 instance I want to launch during this weekend? What will be the operating system of my instance? How I will get application inside this EC2 instance? Which security group is used to protect my EC2 instance? What will be the password when I want to log into this instance? How I can specify .temp file in order to log in? Now all this configuration detail you have to provide to auto scaling group, and auto scaling group will create your EC2 instance based on this particular configuration. Now how you can specify all this configuration? By creating launch template. So here I am going to create one launch template and I am specifying all the details that I want for my EC2 instance. So when auto scaling group will create new EC2 instance, it will use this launch template to get all the configuration for my EC2 instance, right? So let's do this. Hi, I am Bhavesh Atara from CloudFolks HUB. To watch full video, please visit our website learn.bhaveshatara.live or CloudFolks HUB Android and iOS app. We are going to upload full video daily on our portal. You can visit our portal and you can enroll to our 100 days challenge course. Right now, for first 1000 students, for India, it is just 499 rupees fees. and for abroad, you just need to pay only 7 USD. We are going to upload daily full videos over there, and this challenge will be continue for 240 days. Thank you very much. See you inside the app. Goodbye.